her twin. So let's switch it over to her presentation so we can get started. Learn about how you're really supposed to move things. Hey, 1 second. Can you all see my screen?
Yes.
Great, thank you. So
Good.
yours, Suki.
Thank you. Appreciate that. Good morning, everyone. You'll have to bear with me. I haven't presented online since the panorama, but we're going to give it a go. I'm Cherie's daughter. I've actually been in the industry for 10 years, and today I'm going to talk about specifically why Cherie's not here. Actually, I'm going to talk about the installs we've been doing. She goes out on all of the installs for hotels and other things personally because, the devil is in the details. You can hit the next slide. So we are a female-run business, as you guys know, family operated. My twin brother and sister work for the company as well. And as you guys know, we offer residential moving services, of course, but we also do commercial moving services as well. But just to remind you guys, we do packing, unpacking as well. We have storage for long-term and short-term storage needs. We also offer staging help as well, and we offer donation and junk removal services too. But today I'm going to talk about specifically our commercial services. So you can hit the next slide. So for our hotel installs that we've been doing recently, essentially we handle everything top to bottom. So after a space has been renovated or new rooms have been curated, we come and we assemble and we put together all the furniture and all of the room decor to essentially make the rooms come to life. That also includes building the furniture and taking away the trash and disposing all of the mess that comes with unboxing all of the supplies. We actually recently got this big referral from BNI. So kudos to the members for passing us along this way. It's been keeping us busy for many months, and I'm proud to say we have become quite the experts at these installs with efficiency. We have a fantastic team, and Cherie goes on essentially, I would say 90% of these installs to make sure that everything goes seamlessly and that the rooms are put together exactly the way that they are described. Generally, when we're doing these installs, we're working at about 10 to 20 units at a time. And I feel like a picture is worth 1,000 words. So next slide will show you some of the units that we have put together. So essentially, these are completely empty spaces. We come in, we do everything. We put down the carpets, we even hang the artwork and the TVs as well. And I believe for a good amount of these units, we also installed the washer and dryer. We are able to do that in residential units as well. And you can hit the next slide. But a lot of the challenges that we face with jobs like this are definitely time constraints. And that is one of the benefits of working with Charming Movers. We are really good with time constraints. I would say that as the one of our best skills is if the customer is straightforward about how fast they need a job done, we can make it happen, right? So transparency is key on both sides. And you can hit the next slide. And here are some other installs that we have done as well. And here are some other commercial moves that we have done as well. We've moved restaurants, doctor's offices, shoe repair facilities. I would say commercial moving is a bit different in residential in the fact that there are not as many pieces. They say on average that each person has over 1,000 individual items in their home. With a commercial space, obviously you don't have as many small items, but we do work with these larger items and they can be kind of fun and tricky. We love to solve a good logistical problem over here. because it makes things interesting. And then this is a video of one of the many office moves that we have done. Now, whether or not this video is going to work right now, I don't know, but I'll tell you what's in the video in case it doesn't work. Essentially, we pride ourselves on our office moves on making them as efficient as possible. And we work with cubicles and different setups very frequently. So, for example, if you have an office space with 20 cubicles and they all have computer setups and file cabinets, we can go ahead and take and disassemble all of those items and put them on your new space exactly the way we found them so that we can keep your business up and running and moving as fast as possible. One way that we do that is with pictures. We take a picture of each person's desk, and then when we get to the other end, we get to place those items exactly the way that we found them. Of course, excluding how the items were in each drawer. But this way, it just keeps things moving as fast as possible. And that's essentially what's in this bad boy. Sorry, guys, I don't know if this video is gonna work, but we can see.
It didn't.
Well, I just gave you guys a beautiful visual description, so use your imagination this morning. But I wasn't exactly sure how much time I had, but I would like to open up the floor to questions, if you guys have any.
How did
Hey
you, how did,
Suki, it's Carmen. I don't have any questions, but I would like to connect with you guys on some of the things that you mentioned today in your presentation. Thank you.
Yes, we would love that. Let me know if you'd like to do one-to-one.
hey,
I actually have a really quick question, if that's allowed. Do you all have a limitation or distance when it comes down to moving? So if someone wants to move out of state, how much support are you able to provide with that?
We move people all across the United States. We actually just recently moved someone a couple months ago to Colorado. So there's really no limitations. I will say that our niche is direct shipping. So we don't do a lot of share loads, which means that when someone goes out of state, they're the only client that we have on the truck. And what that allows us to do is guarantee delivery dates, which is great. However, when you have a share load, the customer shares the cost of that truck essentially going out of town. So, of course, we have to weigh the options. Cost is a factor, but we work great with single family homes, especially when it is 3 bedrooms plus, because generally then it's, cost effective, makes sense for the customer to pay for a whole truck when they can fill it to go out of state, essentially.
You
And
have
we also
room for
have
one. You have
vehicles.
room for one more if you have it.
Yes.
All right.
Oh, I'm sorry. One more question. Is that what you were saying?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We're winding down now.
Okay.
well
You
done.
good?
No questions here. I just want to say, Suki, great presentation. Thank you for the info.
Thank you. Thanks.
All right. Thanks so much, Suki. You did an amazing job. If there's any other questions or y'all want to have a one-to-one, do it in the chat. Connect with Suki. She's available, and we will keep things moving. So